Hello, this is Nindy Kerr from Nindy's Creative Corner. Today we are going to talk about the hot foil system, and this will show what comes in the system. You will get two boxes, one with your cord, and it comes with this. It comes with a plug for whatever country you're in, which I'm in the US, so I get this type of plug. And then it comes with this little part in a little plastic bag, and you just connect it like that. And this part is magnetic, and I've seen another version that's round on the Stampin' Up video, but it will just, it's magnetic and it will click right into your into your hot foil thing. It comes with instructions. Make sure and read all of this information on the front. It's all the warnings and safety procedures. Then it comes with pictures of what's in the system and instructions in paragraph form. I missed a few things when I was going through them in the paragraph form, so I made me up a list one. And if you order the hot foil system from me, you will get a copy of this. And you'll also get free access to a class. Here is the hot foil platform. It's textured on the bottom. It has these lights. This little power button. This is where you plug in your cord. This is what your platform always rests on. It's a silicone platform, and well, they call it a station, and it will protect your surface from the heat, although the bottom doesn't get super hot. This is what you put your dies on to cool, and it's called a cooling platform. These are part of your sandwich. You'll put this one on first, and then this one over your die, foil, and cardstock. And this will pick up your dies. They're magnetic. So you pick them up like this, release them like this. So I'll show you how to set it up real quick. Plug it in. And the green light will go on your power bank. And that will click in. All the lights will turn on. And this light will flash until it is heated up, which takes about 6 minutes.